TGIM, Monday, November the 21st. Simple disciplinary sessions on deck. 20 minutes, Navy SEAL burpees, 2 pump count, 4 rounds, shadow boxing, 2 minutes per round. That's the program. Warm up is done. I feel great, man. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. Let me leave you with this. As the great Les Brown said, birds of a feather flock together, meaning only spend time with people that bring out the best in you. You must spend time only with people that bring out the best in you. Stay safe.